Everybody, it's Chef Pam, and as you can see, I'm not in the culinary center. Today I'm in my local gym, and I have my friends with me, Chesterman and Mondelli. They are co-workers of mine at the National Cattlemen's Beef Association, a contractor to the Beef Checkoff, and I'm going to let these guys introduce themselves to you today. So Caitlin, you start off.
Hey everyone, I'm Mondelli, and I'm a registered dietitian, and I work with people and I show them how they can incorporate beef into their healthy eating patterns.
Chesterman, also a registered dietitian, but also a strength conditioning coach.
And you guys know me, I'm Chef Pam, still Chef Pam, but I'm also a mom, I have an active lifestyle, I've got a lot going on, and it's very important for me to stay active, stay fit, and to stay healthy for both me and my kids. So Chase and Caitlin today, they're going to help us go through our farm to gym workout. Chase, why don't you explain what that is?
Yeah, so just like yourself, there's many people out there who are very hardworking, and as we all know, farmers and ranchers work very hard every day, just with the nature of the job. So we collaborated with Cowboy Ninja, Lance Pekus, American Ninja Warrior, to put together this workout, farm to gym workout, that encompasses some of the activities and the work that they do every day on the farm and ranch, and bring to life to show you how you can do it yourself, whether at home or in the gym with the equipment and the space you have available.
Perfect. So, Chase, talk me through this first move that we're going to do.
Sure. So we're going to start off with hay bale throws. As you all know, farmers and ranchers have to feed the cattle and horses, and a lot of times they have to throw hay bales all day long, which can be pretty demanding and pretty taxing, but also can get a great workout. So Pam just has a slam ball here, or a medicine ball. So she's going to start on the ground. She's going to go ahead and turn, spin, stay tight, throw it to me. Okay? And if you don't have a partner such as myself, just go ahead and throw it against the wall, or just throw it into an open space. It doesn't matter. She's going to go one more. Good. So that there is the hay bale toss. Okay, so let's say you were throwing hay bales and you stacked them in the bed of the pickup, right? Now you've got to get up in the pickup and unload them. So that requires jumping up in the pickup, and a lot of times farmers and ranchers are doing it all day long, which can be pretty taxing, but again, also helps them stay fit. So Pam just has a bench here. You can find a box that's sturdy at any level you're comfortable with. She's got her foot all the way on. She's got opposite hand, opposite leg. She's going to drive up, all the way up. Good. Control back down. Good. She's going to go again. Trying to be nice and stable, all the way back down. Good, and that's the tailgate step up. Thank you, Pam. We're gonna go over here to Caitlin. And so sometimes cattle can break through fence and get out, or just over time the fence can break down, so farmers and ranchers have to be able to fix their fence. And when that happens, they have to stretch it, which can be pretty tough to pull it and stretch it to get it tight. So Caitlin's just got some cables here. She's gonna pull. Nice and controlled. You can also use, these are bands here, you can use cables, you can do it seated, you can do it standing, a bunch of different variations, just to get this pulling mechanism. So Caitlin's going to come over the side here, she's going to show you good form. She's got a flat back, she's going to squeeze up top of her traps, control it back, very neutral position. Good, thank you, Caitlin. So, let's say the fence did break before you got to fix it, the cattle are coming out and they're running, alright, and let's say a bull is on the run and you have to get out of the way. You've got to be pretty agile and might have to run. So she's going to do just what we call dodge the bull, just lateral hops, being very agile, and this is something that you can increase or decrease the intensities as you feel comfortable with. So, very good, that's dodge the bull. We're going to come back over, we're going to do our last one, fence post slam. So, along the same theme of fixing fence, if you've got to put new posts in the ground, it can be very tough to get the posts to the ground. So it can be pretty taxing to slam or pound the post, as they say. So Pam has a slam ball here again. She's going to trade you
places.
Yep. She's going to start on the ground. Good squat. She's going to come all the way up with it and slam it down. Sending that pole through the ground. Let's go ahead and go one more. All the way down, slam it through. Good. Go ahead and spin to the side. We show good form, right? Spins down, bends her knees, good flat back, all the way up, drop it down. Good, and that's the fence post slam. And that wraps up some of the ones we have to show you today of Farm to Gym. Those are just a few examples of the ones that you can do. We have the entire workout posted online at beefitswhat'sfordinner.com/farm to gym. It's a really good workout because you can also increase the intensities by adding weight, adding reps, or decreasing rest time. Or if you want to drop it down and moderate it to match your fitness level, you can go vice versa with some of those factors.
Right, thank you, Chase, and I can tell you right now, just those few little moves that we did really got my heart rate going.
Oh yeah.
So I'm a little bit out of breath, so I'm going to let Caitlin explain to us what we should be eating after this tough workout.
Absolutely. So it's really important to incorporate high quality protein into workouts such as this one that are really strenuous. And so beef is a really great source of high quality protein. It contains all of the essential amino acids that our body needs to support an active and healthy lifestyle. Our team at Beef It's What's for Dinner, they created a really awesome snack, post-workout snack that incorporates lean ground beef. We're calling them a beef power bite. And these beef power bites, not only are they delicious, but they incorporate high quality lean protein. So they incorporate lean ground beef, use leftover lean ground beef, which helps us reduce food waste. We can also customize them by incorporating different types of toppings into the power bites. So not only are they delicious, but they're also really versatile, and you can throw them in your gym bag on your way to a tough workout. So really great source of high quality protein.
And I'm super excited to eat these after we're done here. I'm so excited that we have a bunch of them because I will probably eat more than one. So I want to thank my friends. Thank you, Chase, for joining us. Thank you, Caitlin, for joining us and giving us this tough workout and the beef power bites. We do want to tell you that you can find the beef power bites recipe and you can find this workout at beefitswhatsfordinner.com/farm-to-gym. And so those are great resources. We're also going to post them in the comment section of this Facebook post, so you'll be able to find those there. And on behalf of all of the beef farmers and ranchers, the National Cattlemen's Beef Association, a contractor to the Beef Checkoff, we want to thank you guys for joining us, and we will see you next time.